What's up everybody, welcome back to another Fast Tip Friday. I'm Jason Roberts. In this episode we're going to look at a cool little app that I found that can help you choose what ND filter you need to use if you're shooting video. So if we head over to the App Store and search for Polar Pro, and we'll just search for that, and we can see the app here. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to tap open, and we can see that we get a choice of video or photo, so we'll just choose video. So what this lets you do is choose your target shutter speed. So for example, say we're shooting at 24 frames a second, and currently say we're outside and we're having to use a shutter speed of, I don't know, let's say 1/400th. So the target shutter speed here it's telling us is 1/50th of a second, and that's roughly double 24 frames a second. But because, say, the light is too bright and we're having to use a shutter speed of 400, it's telling us here at the top that to get down to the target shutter speed of 1/50th, we need to use an ND8 filter. So we can now go and fit an ND8 filter, and that should bring the shutter speed back down to 1/50th. For example, say we were shooting outside, and say we were getting a shutter speed of 1/60th, but we already had an ND4 filter fitted. So even with an ND4 filter, we're having to use 1/60th shutter speed because we've got too much light. In this case, the app's telling us that instead of the ND4, we actually need to use the ND16. So that's just a super quick tip to help you when you're shooting outside and you want to try and maintain the shutter speed double your frame rate. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to see more of this kind of content. I'm Jason Roberts. See ya!